I've already wore wigs every day for a week before. I've already done that. It was a time, it was a lot of work, but you know what? I am prepared to do that again, but let's make it a little more exciting. Alakazam! I'm gonna do this blindfolded.
Wow.
Is that one better?
That was crazy.
Let's do this thing. Let's choose our wig. Do I look better like this? I want a colorful one. Okay, this is the wig that I choose. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my god. This is today's wig. Yeah. It doesn't really go with my outfit, but it'll do. Here's the thing. This wig is not lace front, and you can see the base of the wig when you pull the hair far enough. A little limited on styling, but I have an idea. Ooh, who is she? We don't know her. Not bad. It's not my favorite wig, but it'll do for today. I'm thinking because this is a center part and we do have bangs, that means we can do something with some like side strands, and we're just going to tie them together in the back. And there we go. The first day's wig with the first day style. I think it's so cute. Wow. Ooh. I wonder what wig I'll choose tomorrow. Viewer chooses my wig blindfolded. Let's get going. Right now, my eyes are pink, and this is a pink look. I mean not pink, it's purple. I hope I choose my purple wig, but I honestly have no idea where it is in my wig closet. So, I'll be happy with anything, I guess, as long as it's not red. I think red and purple clash. Day number 2, let's go! Let's get started! I guess I'll choose this wig! Is it red?
No, it's not red.
Sweet! Oh, turquoise and purple look fun together, right?
Yeah.
Let's style it.
We'll like do that, but like on the lens, that's your transition.
Let's style it. Like,
you can make it work.
Or, let's style it.
That could do. Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of mad that we have yet another synthetic wig, because that really limits us, honestly. There's nothing fun that I can really do, but we'll put it on and we'll see what I can come up with, you know. Oh no, I don't like it. Did I last wear this one at the beach? What? Oh my goodness. We can make this work. Can we? I kind of want to put like a hat on. Here's what we have, okay? The front isn't really that concealable, so we might have to leave some strands down. Let's do another half updo. Oh no. Yeah, that's just gonna look bad. That's too obvious. I can't do it. I can't do the only plan I thought I had. No. No. I'm just gonna try to grab the parts with the black base. Let's do like a baby ponytail on the top. She's cute, but that's not it. No, no. Oh, it looks so much better. Cute. Oh my god, it's already so cute. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Probably other than the wig itself, which is pretty unredeemable at this point. It actually looks pretty cute. I do like the top. I did what I could do well. I really hope I get a human hair wig tomorrow. That's all I want. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. Okay. I think I'm going. I know what wig this is. My purple wig. Pink wig.
Yeah, you know what one.
I forgot. Let's put it on. So this is what we have right now. I gotta do something with this up here though. This is really bothering me. Since it is human hair, I can use my straightener for sure. Let's just straighten this out a little bit. Okay, my plan for this wig isn't really anything too crazy. There is a hairstyle that I really like right now that I can do with my hair. I know my hair is getting pretty long, but I really want to try it with long hair. I have all these butterfly clips that I'm going to use, and I'm going to grab strands on the top, on the sides, and I'm just going to braid them all the way down. Oh my god, I love this, wow. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing I've ever done. I don't know what I do sometimes. I just nail a look that I didn't intend to do, but I did it, and I'm really happy with it. It just looks so cute, like what? Oh, the widow butterflies. I can't. Okay, that's it. We don't need to do 7 days when we created this hairstyle. We don't. All we needed was this on the 3rd day. Yeah, I think we're done here. Let's see what wig we get tomorrow. Albert's singing. Albert, I love you. Day number 4. Here we go. I've pretty much already tried everything I want to try, but let's see what we can do next. I actually really liked my hair today, but it's fine. I guess I'll put on a wig instead. What the? Are there 2 on top of each other?
Mm-hmm.
Why did I do that? Okay, this is the one that we're doing. This is the beautiful... Oh wait. Oh no.
Wow, look, you already have your Rapunzel outfit on.
True. We are reverse Rapunzel today. Let's style it. Honestly, I kind of forgot about this wig. It's one of my favorites. It really is. Not like to wear, but just to have for fun occasions, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm a lion. Wow. This is a vibe. When is this gonna be like fashionable, you know? You know, I hate to say it, but I think the only hairstyle that is appropriate for this wig is a braid. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I didn't think so. I'm gonna tie it with this beautiful purple, light purple, kind of pinkish scrunchie. And then we're gonna put some butterfly clips in it. And I know that seems like a reoccurring theme, but that's because I love scrunchies and butterfly clips. Mystery solved. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have used a scrunchie. Maybe I should have used a smaller hair tie. It's fine. You know, who am I trying to impress here? Only everyone on the internet, you know. Maybe I'll put it on the parts that I messed up on. We'll fix and decorate at the same time. Oh, this is just a piece of art. Am I right? Yes, it is me, Rapunzel. Where is my Flynn Rider? Flynn? At least give me Pascal. At least. No, not here. Tragic. Feels like I'm in that tower all over again. What is one of her songs? I like can't remember them. Comment some of Rapunzel's songs down below. I don't know why I can't think of them. I love that movie and suddenly it looks like I'm a liar. Let's see what wig we get tomorrow. Another day picking out wigs. I'm actually having a pretty good time. I like forget half the wigs that I own, so this is great.
Thanks for watching.
Is this equivalent to like chalkboards?
Yeah.
Feels like a big one. I know what wig this is. Yeah! I don't know how to style this at all, but I am excited. Yeah, that looks really good on you.
Thank you.
You can pull it off. Like it does look good. Anyone else want to try it on before I put it on for the day? It's so good. Oh yes. There's just so much volume with this wig. Listen, it's still 100 degrees in LA. I don't know if I can handle this. Today's vibe is relaxed, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy, not gonna do any hairstyles. I just wanna put, you know, a good old-fashioned hat on it, you know? Oh, a vibe. I like her. I like this. I wonder what wig we're gonna get tomorrow. Let's get started. Ow. Let's try this one. Oh, she's already in a style from the last time. Let's do it. I honestly forgot that I just leave hairstyles on wigs sometimes. I just don't feel like taking them out or something. There's the possibility that these little space buns are still a vibe. Let's see if that's true or not. Oh my god, honestly, like kind of. This part, this density, I forgot how much of a flawless wig this truly is. This one could use some work. I just accidentally made this the easiest styling job of my life. I think we got it. Ooh, yes. I feel cute. I feel real cute. I really like this one and I completely forgot about it and I completely forgot about this hairstyle too, but I also love it. Today's gonna be a great day. Let's see what wig we get for our final wig of the week tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Last day! Let's go! I want a good one, but anything I have is fine.
Oh my god.
Did I do this one? Did I do this one?
I don't think so.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Pikachu, I choose you. Ah. Oh, yes.
Wow. Great way to close it.
Great way to close it, right? Let's put it on. I guess I'm actually really glad this is the last day because I honestly haven't washed my hair all week because I'm like, why would I need to do that? This color is so nice. I like her a lot. Let's do a little style. Let's do a little thingy thing. You know, part of me just wants to make this like a messy bun. There's just so much hair. Messy bun gods, just let me bun this hair. Oh, that's a little better. Oh my god, okay, I think we got it. I don't care what you say. I think it's cute. Wow, I think we ended on a good note. This week has been very fun. I am ready for it to be over, and I hope you all really liked this video today. Which wig that I picked out blindfolded was your favorite? Make sure to click the thumbs up if you haven't. If you're new, subscribe. If you haven't, you know, it might be a good idea. And also click the notification button so you can be one of the first ones here, you know? I'll see you next time. Bye! I might just sleep in this wig, you know? Why not?